Hi there everyone, welcome back. Ja, julle is 'n bietjie skeef hier. As julle alright so. Daar's hy. Bietjie beter. Hi there everyone, welcome back to another video of Leigh Customs. I'm not entirely sure in what video this clip is, but just know that today we'll be dropping off my car at Slick Detailing. Well, founder of Slick Detailing is Leigh, and I met him at the garage stand park of I think 2 months ago, 3 months ago. You will be doing, I'm not entirely sure what exactly we'll be doing, but all I know, you will be detailing the B20 Vtec because the previous owners neglected the car's paint a bit after Travis did the whole proper detail on this car. So this car has a lot of swirl marks on and stuff like that, and I want to get the car in tip-top form once again. And today Leigh will be doing that for us. So yeah, I think Leigh will be filming some videos for us, and I'll just throw that for you guys. But enjoy the road to Brackenfell. Today we are back to collect the car by Slick Detailing. Mr. Leigh, say hello.
How's it?
So, Mr. Leigh did a 3-stage, to my correction?
Yeah, 3-stage detail
on the car. And he has taken a few clips for you guys. But what I will be doing right now is that Leigh will take us through the car, and he'll give us like a better explanation of what he did to the paint, and as well as the service he offers. So Leigh, over to you.
So on this car I did like Shane mentioned now, a 3-stage detail on the vehicle. So it started off with a mechanical decontamination of the car. So that includes a certain product that I spray on the car just to get all that grime and stuff off the vehicle, as well as I did a clay bar on the vehicle. And then after that I started with a 3-stage detail. So it was the cutting process, and then the polishing, and then the finishing process. And then to top it all off, I did a graphene coating on the vehicle. So that brings out more of the gloss and obviously the durability of the car as well.
And Leigh, on top of that, like I know you did like the wax, I think, on like the
graphene coating, yeah.
Yes. Now, what do they need to do if they have this specific coating on their car? Is there a specific product you need to use in order to protect this layer that you put there on to protect the paint, or can you use any wax shampoo or what?
Yeah, preferably a pH neutral shampoo on the vehicle just to keep its gloss. But I mean, don't now go use like obviously sunlight liquid on the vehicle. That is gonna mess up the vehicle. But yeah, more of a pH neutral shampoo just to maintain the look. And then yeah, then you're good to go. So this I mean, the process I did here would last roughly about a year. So each year you should do the package that I did on this car, so which was the ultimate package. So that was the 3-stage detail with the graphene coating. So yeah, then it should last for approximately a year, if not longer.
Look here, in this 3-stage you're talking about right now, what's the average cost of it? Because I think you mentioned it might be on a promotion at the current time, which is a great thing for all of them that want to come and detail their car.
Yeah, so this package that I did now, the platinum package, so it's now the 3-stage with the graphene coating, that usually goes for 1,800. But currently until the end of March it's on promo for 1,500.
And that's a lekker bargain.
Yeah.
It's a lekker bargain right here. So if you guys want to come out to stick detailing, the guys right in front of me right here. You have Instagram. I'm not entirely sure about Facebook though.
Yeah, Facebook and Insta.
And I'll leave your number in the description down below. So if you guys want to make use of his service, don't hesitate to contact him because the talking was, it didn't do justice. The point right here, in person, does it justice.
Yeah, no, I'm happy with the end result.
Nah, definitely, this is only the first car I will be seeing Mr. Leigh. So I already told them I'm already making a booking for my Accord, hopefully in the upcoming year. But you guys will definitely see more of Mr. Leigh in our future videos.
Cool. Okay, Shane's car came in for a 3-stage detail. So it's going to be a 3-stage detail. So it's a cut, polish, finish, and then to top it, I'll do a graphene coating. So this is the car before. Check in again when the car is done, see how it came out. This is my own shampoo. As you can see there, Wash and Wax Premium. So it's important to have a grit guard in the bucket just to trap the dirt here at the bottom, so that's very important. So what I've done this car is I vacuum the car inside. So the next stage is to actually wash the wheels of the car. So I'll always start with washing the wheels first because that's the dirtiest part of the vehicle. So I'll wash the wheels before I head onto the body. So I'll use a number of products, my own as well, Iron X, just to get all the tar off the wheel itself and to clean the tire as well. But I'll show the product now shortly. What I'll first do, I'll first wet the wheel just to get rid of any deposits stuck on the wheel, and then I'll use the iron remover. So there it is. So this product you can actually use on the body of the car as well, the body and the wheels. So this I'm going to use on the wheels, but you'll see once the product actually reacts to the wheel, to the dirt on the wheel, it changes a certain color, purple color. That's how you know it's reacting. So I'll do that next. If you guys look closer, you will see almost like brownish residue come off the tire. Then you know basically all that dirt and grime and protection, tire gel is actually coming off. What's also important to clean actually inside the barrels of the wheel. what I'm gonna do now is I just rinse the car off just to get off any dirt on the car. And now I'm gonna actually snow foam the vehicle using my product. So it's a snow foam premium. So that is just to basically it's a pre-wash. So I'm gonna foam up the car just so that I can encapsulate that last dirt, and then I'm gonna rinse the car off, and then we'll start off with the normal wash. But this for now is just a pre-wash with the snow foam. Okay, so the car is all foamed up. You can see, just to take you guys around, it's a nice thick layer of soap. So I'm gonna let it dwell for about 2 minutes, and then spray it off, and then start the washing process. The car is all rinsed up. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do a hand wash. So I'll do a hand wash. Then basically I'll dry the vehicle off, and then it will be ready for polish for the three stage. So the 3 stage, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut, polish, and then finish. And then what I'm gonna do at the end, I'll do a graphene flex wax, just for extra protection. Also important when you do the hand wash on the vehicle, just to go onto left, right, left, and not into a circular motion, because that's where the common swirl marks occur. So always from one way to the other, never in the circular motion. So you'll start from the top of the vehicle and then you move all the way down, because that's the dirtiest part of the vehicle, the wheels, and at the bottom of the car. So yeah, let me continue with the hand wash. Okay, so I just prepped Shane's Vtec just for I'm going to do a 3-stage polish, but very importantly to do is actually to prep the car. So I prep the car before polishing, just to avoid polishing residues going onto the rubbers and it's hard to get up. So it's very important to prep before you actually start with the detailing process, the polishing. I'll just show you guys what I mean.
you guys enjoyed today's video. I did ask Leigh to film some walk clips, which you guys probably saw before this, but the car came out amazing. Like, I'm very happy with the outcome, and the car like pops so much more. I literally told Leigh that the paint looks so clean that I can literally see like minor dents on the car, which I will need to get a PDR to come take out, which is very much upsetting because the car's paint just looks phenomenal. So once again, I would like to give a big shout out to Sleek Detailing, aka Mr. Leigh. The man who hooked me up. Leigh, if you're watching this, maybe to thank you so much. Such an amazing guy. If any of you guys would like to make use of his service, his details will be linked on the screen as well in the description down below. Don't hesitate to contact him via WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook. Such an amazing guy, and to my experience at the current time, it does amazing work. And by the way, it does sell products as well, which unfortunately we didn't mention in this video, but if you guys would like to make use of his products as well, don't hesitate to contact him. I would just like to take a moment to make use of this outro as well to explain that I haven't been uploading lickages this month, I guess, but I did film a couple of videos, but the videos, like all the clips I filmed, is probably equivalent to 1 or 2 videos maybe, and I've not done the best job like filming and then ending of the video. I would start the video but I would never like end the video, because at the current time, because of I kind of finished like midway in December. Excuse me. I kind of finished midway in December, and at this current time I'm taking on some side jobs, I guess, and that's gonna help me fund a few extra stuff I've been planning to do in the upcoming year or the new year, which you guys will have to stay tuned to. But just know that the next year I'm gonna try to push some videos out for you guys, and I'm really trying my best to create some dope videos, especially with the 20 valve and the yellow car, and I'm hoping to see some track time in the Vtec as well, which I would like to do some circuit racing in this car, or in that car. So yeah, I'm not really comfortable, but it's something new I want to try out, and I think I could drag you guys along with that, and I think you guys would enjoy it as well. So do comment down below what you guys think of that. The only thing is it might damage the paint a bit. That's the only thing I'm scared about, but yeah, you guys will see some dope videos coming up in the new year. So I apologize, but I hope you guys are having an amazing festive season, and don't forget to support the channel by dropping a like and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Hoe je spooky achter. Je woont goed hier achter.